Bad habits: biting nails, gossiping, smoking, swearing, picking nose, curling hair, flashing, oversleeping, and calling. Everyone has habits. Some are good, and some are not so good. Bad habits are actions we do often that may harm our health, focus, and relationships, or maybe productivity. In this video, we'll learn the meaning of bad habits, see a detailed list with real-life examples, and a frugal vocabulary to talk about. Before going further, first we need to look at the example of bad habit. So the definition is: bad habits are actions or behaviors people do regularly, even though they are harmful or unhelpful. These habits often become part of daily life and are difficult to stop because they happen automatically or without thinking. Bad habits can affect your health, relationships, and productivity. Examples: biting your nails, or always being late, or watching too much TV, eating junk food, or using social media. Here's the list of common bad habit examples. Here's a list of common bad habits and examples. Got bad habits and his urgent tests will bite his nail when he's nervous. Smoking. She's tried to quit smoking. Always be late. He's always late for class. Interrupting others. It's rude to interrupt someone while they're seated. Procrastinating. I often procrastinate instead of doing homework. Oversleeping. I overslept again and needs a pass. Watching. She watched too many shows instead of studying. Eating junk food. He eats chips and candy every night. Spending too much time online. I scroll on my phone for hours every day. Using the phone while eating. He checks his phone during every meal. Gossip. They gossip about others at heart. Not exercising. I don't exercise regularly. Writing novels. The fractions are both loudly. Talking with mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth with table. Chewing loudly. She chews with her mouth open. Forgetting things. He forgets important days like birthdays. Staying up too late. I stay up until 2 a.m. watching news. And swearing. Spurs too much when frustrated. The pocket full. Leaving things messy. She leaves her clothes on the floor. Lying. Tight lies become a habit if you're not careful. Nail picking. She picks at her nails and stressed. Reflection. He scotched while sitting at his desk. Overthink everything before making a decision. Interrupting people. He doesn't let others finish their sentences. Tapping fingers slowly. He taps her coat constantly during meetings. Not listening. He pretends to listen but doesn't really pay attention. Cheating in games or tests. He cheated on the last he said. Talking too much. He talks non-stop and never listens. Not brushing teeth at night. Forgets to brush his teeth before going to bed. Drinking too much coffee. I drink 5 cups of coffee every day. Snacking late at night. She eats cookies every night before sleeping. Constant planning. He complains about everything. Spending too much time. She buys things she doesn't need. Leaving task unfinished. Starts thing but doesn't finish it. Useful phrase to talk about bad habits. I'm trying to break a bad habit. It's hard to stop once it becomes a habit. He picked up the habit from his friends. That's what habit I need to change. She's a habit of interrupting others. He keeps falling back into his old habits. I've been struggling to kick this habit for years. It's been a habit I developed during college. That list of habit is starting to annoy people. I didn't even notice it had been I had talking about breaking the tendency. When we talk about stopping or changing the habits, we often use to break a habit. I want to break my nail biting habit. Quit doing something. He quit smoking last year. I give up. I get up soda to be healthier. Cut down on. He's trying to cut down on sugar. Avoid. I avoid going to fast food restaurants. Habit. He's trying to kick the smoking habit for good, turning to manga or maybe stop time. Change your ways. He really needs to change his ways. Turn over a new leaf. He turned over a new leaf and started exercising. Great advice. It's hard, but I'm trying to break the cycle of procrastination. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe and share and comment down below.